Well, this is the Khan River, the river that comes out of Khan National Park. I've brought you here a few times before in my videos. I'll leave links below to allow you to go and visit them. Well, with this heavy rain, the fields are getting flooded and some crops will be spoilt. And if this rain continues the next few days or so, we will see a lot of news about people making claims for support for having lost their crops. They've actually harvested some before the heavy rains came. Very industrious people, you know, Thai farmers, at it all the time. This wasn't here a couple of weeks ago. Amazing. Well, I don't think it's the road's been washed away here. They've actually excavated the soil from the boundary here, from the road, to let that water out of these fields. Here she goes. Ow. Me. Gosh, they were lucky. They've actually harvested this patch of rice field through here before the rain. Well, if I hold the camera that side, you can't see this side of my face. Yesterday, I got bitten by an ant. I put something in my mouth and it had an ant on it, and my lip came up like a. It looks like I've been punched by my angry subscribers. Maybe they did. I've just checked back on the videos that I made here, and one was in August, and that's when I posted a lush green fields video, and the other was at the beginning of June, and the rice had already been planted by then. So the farmers had actually planted their rice at the back of May, and already, as you saw there, it is harvested in some places early, and the golden tops of the rice are showing the rice seeds really, the actual the rice husk is the colour of the outside of it, is forming on the end of the stems. I'm going to go and take you to look at some. Wow, that smells, that's a bit ripe. Good Lord, that is really ripe. I want to show you this. I've just picked this up off the ground. Look at the work that's gone into that. This is the nest of the weaver birds, and I guess if I looked up in the tree there, I'd find some. Oh yes, way at the top there's some. Camera can't really focus on that. But this is the unsuccessful male built weaver bird nest. Intricate little thing, beautiful, absolutely. It's a work of art. Lovely. Oh, whistling ducks on the wing there. They were hiding in the rice that's still growing on the side of where it had been cut. I've scared them away. This is the rice that is now showing across the tops of these fields as gold. This is covered in mud and silt that you can see around here. But, this is almost ready for harvesting. If I'd have come a few days earlier, I might have seen the full crop still growing. They have only just harvested it. I talked to a farmer on his bike as he was going by when I was flying. He said that earlier this morning the water was really up high throughout these fields, and I can see now that much of the crop has been damaged, like over here, but by the look of it they were very lucky in this last week to have taken away a lot of the harvestable rice, but they were caught out maybe. The farmer there got off his bike with his catapult in his hand, and he was wanting to scare away the pigeons. He just had to walk off his bike to the side of the shelter there, and they just flew away. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. My goodness, these people work hard. And after all their efforts, some of it is lost. As you can see here, they've managed to take away quite a bit. And behind the camera here, you can see they've harvested quite a lot here as well. But if this water lingers and remains in the paddies, the rice will be spoilt. Not only difficult to harvest it when it's laying down, but it's just not drying out. And that's what's needed right now. Thank you for joining me today on my little journey down the canal road. Hope you've seen something that takes your fancy. I am enjoying getting out and about, despite the fact that it's hot and humid, muddy and smelly in places. This is the countryside and it's really enjoyable. If you've not subscribed already, please do. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, please. Check back on a regular basis. I post 2-3 times a week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay safe, stay well. Take care. Bye-bye.